Hi guys, this is Boss Lady Shruti, and I am kind of loving this whole Desi core. And I know you're wondering, we are used to seeing Boss Lady in her sexy avatar. आज तो ये देसी अवतार में आ गई है. But that is because I went for my yearly trip to Crawford Market. I do this every year just around Eid time. I go over there to Nakhuda Mohalla, Crawford Market, all of these places because I feel they have the best collections during Eid time. And what I like picking out is everyday sort of ethnic wear that I can wear, if I'm going out with my parents. Also in the summer, I feel I love wearing cotton kurtis like this. So if you want to know all the good stuff that I got from Crawford Market, please keep watching. So before I get into the haul, I just quickly want to give shout out to something that I've been trying out lately. That is the Dermaco Microneedle Vitamin C Serum Shot. This, honestly, I kept the packaging because I thought it was very, very fancy. This is like an innovative and advanced serum with microneedles. The microneedle serum shot that comes in a cream texture penetrates 5x deeper into the skin, creating microchannels in the skin, resulting in superior absorption of vitamin C and enhances collagen production. I use this right after I use my face wash, and I ensure to follow it up with a really, really nourishing moisturizer and use a ton of sunscreen during the day. I was very intimidated when I used this in the first time, but it's not that bad. Like, it doesn't really tingle on your skin for too long. And after I used it for like 2-3 days, because I knew what the feeling and sensation and what to expect, I kind of enjoyed the product even more. And I think this is great, especially in the night time. You can use it in the day also, but ensure that you wear like loads of sunscreen. But I prefer to use this in the night time. You guys know I am a big fan of vitamin C. Vitamin C का कुछ भी दे दो मुझे, मैं तो use कर लूँगी. And yeah, I think this is great. I will leave a link to this in the description box, and you can use my code Shruti2025 to get a 20% off on the Dermaco website. And this is also available on Nykaa, Amazon, and this is also available in other places, so check it out. Of course, we're going to start off with what I'm wearing right now. This is a 2-piece set. Some people call it quad set. To me, it is a salwar kurta, so that's what I'm going to call it. I love the yellow color. Yellow screams summer to me, and that is why I was gravitating towards this. Also, this was for only 300 rupiah. Girl, I wanted to get at least 5-6. I even called my mom saying that मम्मा आपको कुछ चाहिए तो मेरे को बता दो, ये 300 रुपए का सेट मिल रहा है, मैं आपके लिए भी ले लेती हूँ. So I actually got 2 sets. This is the first one. It is a pretty yellow color. Second one is this gray one that I got. Again, 300 rupees for this set. I just love this kind of embroidery on the kurta. And I love grey actually as a color, especially this tone of grey. I really gravitate towards that because I feel it's very muted. And I actually love I love the fit of this, and it is so easy breezy. And I feel these are great if you are a corporate girly and if you go to office every day. These suits are a must have in your wardrobe. They're easy to throw on, don't need a lot of complicated styling, and you will look super put together. Next up, I got this gorgeous pink kurta set. Oh my god. Honestly, when I wear this, I feel like I need to be in Punjab running around some sarson ke khet with a parandi in my hair. Like, I am just, in my head, I am this is giving me Geet from Jab We Met when, she goes to fake meet that boy. This is giving me Geet energy. This is giving me Punjab ke sarson ke kheton mein jaake doing nagada 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 baja. Like, I cannot wait to actually wear this because I think this is going to look so stunning. तो कोई पूजा में ही बुला लो यार मुझे, क्योंकि मुझे तो ये सूट पहनना है. Next up, I got a bunch of accessories. First up are these earrings that I got. I actually didn't think that I'm going to wear it with this particular set this particular ethnic wear set. I thought that this was more suited for like Western wear, but I just kind of threw this on today and I was just like, it's kind of looking cool. But I feel like this with like a nice summery top or something of that sort would look so chic. I think when you wear earrings like this, it can really elevate like a basic look of yours. If you're wearing just like plain simple skirt and top, but if you wear earrings like this, it just looks like this girl has taste, this girl has elegance, this girl knows her shit. I love accessories like this which kind of add that pizzazz to a really, really basic outfit. So that's why I got this one. Next up is this one right here. I thought this was also very, very elegant. I think this will go really well with like evening cocktail dresses or something of that sort. Like this copper rose gold color I did not have in my jewelry collection. And I also felt that this was very elegant, very, very beautiful. This with like slick back hair on a cocktail dress. This with slick back hair and like a really sexy bodycon dress. Vibe. Next up are these drop down earrings. These are very kind of basic looking, but I feel like sometimes when your outfit is really out there, you want your earrings and like accessories to be slightly more on the minimal side. I am an earring girly, so I think this size of earring is what I usually go for. This is what I usually wear. And I feel for my face shape, these are the perfect, drop down earrings. I think they'll go well with a multitude of things. Even I think I could wear it with what I'm wearing right now. And all of these earrings were for 50 rupees each. This Nakhoda Mohalla is a steal, guys. Like, you have to go over there. So, yeah. Next up are these ones right here. These are super large and in charge. Again, I feel like this would look good if, you have your hair kind of tied back and you let your earrings do the talking. I definitely see myself wearing this with like a basic outfit, but when I want my statement accessories to kind of be the center stage, this is what I would wear. And I think these are also great for the summer. These kind of beaded earrings, I think they're very in for the summer. This is so cute. मैंने तो इसका ये भी निकाला नहीं है. The next thing that I got is honestly the cutest thing. And when I saw this, I was like, I want it. Like when I'm at the market, shopping like that, I'm literally like a little kid. This is so cute. Oh my god. I have a similar purse from Savannah, which is like a butterfly. But when I saw this, I was just like, let me get this in a silver color. There were tons of like there were those small little bucket bags and heart-shaped bags. But then I was just like, I don't want something very, very similar because I already have that. I wanted to get this in silver. And I think this is super cute. And this was for 250 only. Steal. This is a steal. Next up is this little angel of a piece right here. This also is something that I got from like where I got these earrings. Uske baaju mein hi there was this guy that had all these like fancy jholas, and everything in that shop was for 600. I tried to bargain with him for giving to me 500, but he did not budge. But I feel like this is very, very well made. It also has this suede velvet kind of a lining inside, so this does not look cheap in any way. Even if you were to go to like a nice party, they're not going to think that you paid only 600 rupees. You can easily say that you paid 6,000 rupees for this, unless they've not seen your video, which is... But anyways, I mean, I'm the kind of person that will go ahead and say, अरे ये तो मैंने 600 का लिया, तेरे को मैं बताती हूँ ना कहाँ से लिया, तू 6,000 मत खर्च बहन, मैं तेरे को बताती हूँ. That's how I am. But anyways, I didn't have anything in silver. I have a really nice gold clutch bag, and I always felt like I want like a nice silver for like ethnic wear, or when I wear something like blingy, I felt like I want something which will look good with my dresses. And I feel like This is beautiful and a statement bag, which is a must-have in every girlie's wardrobe. So next up, I actually got this beautiful dress material. I still need to get this stitched, but I loved this dress material when I was over there, and this dress material was for $850. This comes with the dress material with the inner lining and a dupatta piece, which I thought was a good deal, because if I were to get only, this was like a 2.5 meter kapda, and if I went to like Tirumala or anywhere else to get a kapda like this, it will easily cost me 400 rupees per meter. So that would have costed me 1,000 rupees in itself, and this as a set was for $850, and I thought that was a great deal. Though I know that I'll have to spend money on getting this stitched, I really hope I'm able to do something really beautiful with this. So stay tuned. Got these stunning lavender earrings. I felt like मैं इससे जो भी बनाऊंगी उसके साथ ये earrings बहुत अच्छे से match करेंगे. And I got this. This is a bracelet watch. अभी उर्वशी रौटेला जैसे मेरे पास रिंग वाला वॉच नहीं है, बट मैंने ब्रेसलेट वाला वॉच ले लिया क्योंकि डाकू महाराज ने 105 क्रॉस किए हैं, उसी की खुशी में. Alright, so I guess that is it for today's video. I really enjoy market shopping, you guys. I don't care, you know, जितना भी पैसा आ जाए ना मेरे पास, ये मैं बहुत मिडिल क्लास हूँ यार, मैं क्या करूँ? I can't let go of a good deal. I love going to Crawford Market, Linking Road Market, and all of these places, and looking at all of those things, and I'll just be like, नहीं मुझे आप 200 रुपए में दो. जो मजा है ना, मैं बोलूँ कि नहीं भैया आप मुझे ये 200 में दो, and then he like looks at you like that, and he like, ठीक है बहन ले लो आप. Like that is victory. That is true victory. Yeah, subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.